Hi there, my name is Kelly. Welcome. And today we are working on a guided meditation for focus and concentration. And throughout the practice, we will be also working on some breathing exercises or breathing techniques. So let's get started. Let's close our eyes in a comfortable position, either seated with our legs crossed or not. If you prefer, feel free to lean against a wall, a couch, a bed, or anywhere else that feels comfortable for you. But whatever position you choose, keep your back, your spine long, tall, balanced. Feel free to rest your arms, your palms, anywhere that feels comfortable for you. Now let's bring our attention to our bodies and the connection with the earth, the connection, the touch with the surface we are on. Whether it is the couch, the mat, a cushion, a bed. How does your body feel? Are you carrying any tension, any tightness? Pay attention to the areas of your hips, your back, your shoulders, your neck, your jaw, your eyes, your temples, the forehead, if there isn't any tension in these areas, let yourself relax. Let the muscles in these areas relax. And let's focus in the present moment. Now bring your attention to the breath, our beautiful breath and its sensations. How does your breath feel? Is it shallow? Is it hard? Is it fast? Is it deep? Start noticing your breath and its sensations. Feel the coolness of the air through the tips of your nose during each inhale You feel the slightly warmth of the air during each exhale. Now bring your attention to your chest and start experiencing the sensation of the breath in your chest area. Feel the expansion of your chest as you fill your lungs with air during each in-breath. You feel the contraction of your chest as you let the air out during each out-breath. Now bring your attention to the stomach area. Feel your belly rise and fall during each breath in and each breath out. How does it feel? As we sit here in stillness, experiencing the sensations of the breath, I'm going to start counting down. But keep going at your own breathing rhythm. And if thoughts come into your mind, that's completely fine. Let them in, let them go. Just don't engage. And bring your awareness back to the breath. Here we go. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. As we bring our practice to a close, start to bring your awareness to where you are. Wiggling your fingers and toes. And gently opening your eyes. And when you do so, try to find something that looks similar to the room where you are. Thank you for joining me today. Namaste.